Tired of missing important calls? Let's turn that frustration into a seamless solution by setting up call forwarding using Phlo. First, log into your Plivo account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the Flow section. In the left-hand menu, click on Create New Flow. Choose Create Flow from Scratch. This gives us complete control over our call forwarding setup. You'll now see a blank canvas. This will visually build our call forwarding logic. Drag and drop a start call node onto the canvas from the left-hand menu. This node initiates the flow when a call comes in. Next, drag and drop a forward call node onto the canvas. This node will handle the actual call forwarding. Now, connect the start call node to the forward call node by dragging a line between them. This establishes the flow of the call. Click on the forward call node to configure it. In the Properties panel on the right, enter the phone number you want to forward calls to. In the destination number field, make sure to include the country code. You can customize other settings here, like the time limit, which determines how long Plivo tries to forward the call before giving up. Leave the other options to default for a basic setup. Finally, give your flow a descriptive name at the top of the screen, something like call forwarding to mobile. Then, click the Save button, followed by the Run button to activate your flow. Now, whenever someone calls your Plivo number, it will automatically be forwarded to the destination number you specified. Congratulations, you've successfully set up call forwarding with Plivo Flow.